at this party in here. Yo, can you hear
Hello,
me?
sir. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
Not bad, not bad. I'm actually in a short on that competition right now off this high. I'm up
Nice.
1,500 right now, 1,600.
Nice. Let's go.
Yeah.
I like how you got the stream fine tuned, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, like it looks crazy. I love it. My lighting sucks something today. What? It still looks like shit.
Okay, so what do we got going on this morning? Just taking a
Good
look
morning,
quick
Jose.
at financial juice. And looking like we don't really have anything red folder. We do have Bowman speaking at 7. Fed Bowman.
That better?
Is that your light?
Yeah, I'm trying to I don't know, the lighting is way better than usually. I guess I'm using my laptop camera.
Okay. Yep.
It sucks balls. But it's all good. On Thursday, I'll use my iPhone again. Oh, okay. What are we looking at here? You're in short, eh? What are you looking back down to previous days, New York or something? Overnight?
I was just gonna let it ride. It's that tournament thing. So if I got to stop in place already, and there I'm got stopped out. So.
Yeah, no, I don't. You saw my message about the tournament this morning. I'm kind of a little bit. I'm a little disappointed with it, to be honest.
Yeah, I didn't know. I thought
I got an email this morning saying unlimited resets now, and it's like, how's that even a tournament? Like you're just gonna have people throwing money at it that like probably shouldn't be.
Yeah.
To try and trade with you, it's like, you know what I mean? And obviously, it's not even that money's not coming out of Patrick's pocket to pay for they're gonna make so much money off of this.
Oh yeah.
It really rubbed me the wrong.
I didn't hear that, but yeah, that's horrible.
I just saw the email this morning in my email box now. It's like, you asked, we heard unlimited resets for the tournament. It's like, how's it even a tournament then? You can just keep getting disqualified and then you just keep re-entering?
Yeah, that kind of like defeats the purpose of somebody who's actually trying to use their one account, right?
I think number one on the leaderboard is up 55 grand.
Yeah, it's 57 something. Yeah.
Is that the total P&L? No, that's
Yeah, I
like
think.
so they're up $112,000 in the account then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Where's
Yeah, I
everyone
think.
else? Why is it so
I'm
quiet in the
only.
chat this morning?
What's that? Buy it in the chat.
Yeah, it's quiet in the chat.
We got Jose. Good morning, Jose. 6:29 a.m.
Yeah. And we're waiting on Christine. We're waiting on. Is Nick coming on today?
Good. I think he said something about he might be streaming somewhere else, but I couldn't remember. Oh, there's Daniel. Hey, Daniel. Morning. Yeah. So, what do we got here?
Good morning, Daniel.
I'm up 3,430 in that in the Patrick Wieland account.
I didn't even take one trade on it.
Oh yeah.
I just donated the money.
Shoot.
How's your trading yesterday, Dave?
Oh, really good day actually. 100% win rate, and yeah, passed an eval last night, so I had a good day yesterday.
Yeah, I woke up to that. I saw that. That's the one thing I like about those TPT evals. Once you're passed, you're good to go, right?
Yeah.
So, and just now you got a trailing drawdown, and I still have my TPT Pro accounts. One's got like $1,000 in it, and the other one's got like $200 in it. So
yeah,
I got
so you get
using my
to
copy trade accounts.
2,100, right?
Yeah, and then it locks.
And then you can start taking payouts after that, basically.
Yes.
Nice, yeah. Is there days traded on those accounts too?
No.
Just
the evals got the 5 days.
Gotcha.
Now we're sitting back up here at all-time highs. Yay! Now the real fun begins.
Hasn't been easy, but Uncle Nick's been just slaying it lately. A good thing I did stop it out there. That would be break even right now.
Yeah, Austin caught a nice long from like. Let's see here. Where did he get long? He got long at. Oh, I got NQ up here. Sorry, my bad. At like 86 on ES, and he took it up to 6,800.
Wow. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, he had a lower day view up on from the overnight session, and it basically, yeah. Well, it was already above it, and it kind of held a support because we were already far enough away from, kind of like similar to a handoff view up, like that kind of look.
Yeah.
Like you were far enough away from the overnight where you couldn't use that, and then the lower day was kind of holding it up. So you played that, and I don't love taking. I usually delete my lower day or high day when it gets above or below the New York or the daily.
Yeah.
Because for me, I don't know how much weight it's got, but when you're above, when your lower day view up is above your New York view up, what are you really looking at?
Yeah, right. So looking like we got 68.05 on the book above, 183 contracts there. Although it does look a little thicker, sort of, 97.94 to 7.96. But maybe those are all buyers, because we are holding a bullish fair value gap on both NQ and ES since that pullback, which is pretty interesting.
I need to confess.
Uh-oh.
I traded a 5-minute fair value gap yesterday on NQ.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And did you get a win?
Yeah, my top step combines I hit max profit.
Nice.
So,
That's
but
awesome.
I'm not calling it a fair value gap. I'm calling it a TRG, the Randy gap.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna coin it my own gap. But I used this is my second trade now using a fair value gap with Bookmap.
Yeah.
Seeing the levels, like basically the bottom of it was a bullish fair value gap. So the bottom of the fair value gap, there was order sitting there. I think it was 25,180. So I used that as my level of support for that. And if that fair value gap held and those orders held, I would look to take a long. I took a long inside the gap after those orders were tested twice and that fair value gap held. And then I took it long outside of the fair value gap, if that makes sense.
Nice. Yeah.
I don't know much about fair value gaps, but I'm just kind of looking at it as just a confluence.
For sure. Yeah, they definitely work.
And at the end of the day, a fair value gap, I think, and a order block and something else are all the same. Like that, Wall Street's been using those for like 30 years.
Oh yeah.
ICT is just the one that coined them a fair value gap. Before they were called order blocks. It's a trading term.
Okay.
And it makes sense when you have a move up and you have liquidity sitting above and below a level. You can see it on Bookmap, right? So
yeah.
ICT or not, it's just ICT was a genius the way he marketed it.
Mm-hmm. That seems like the thing I'm hearing a lot is like the whole marketing plan of ICT was pretty good.
Genius. And you can't knock him for it, right?
No.
So why can't I just coin up my own marketing and give it my own terms? If ICT can do it, I can do it. That's my motto. What a turnaround on one hand.
Yeah. I just hopped on ASFX there. Austin looks like he's somewhere else, maybe on the way to the show or something already. Doesn't look like he's in his usual.
He shouldn't be. He's not leaving. He's actually flying in late tomorrow, unless him and Riley are doing something for her birthday.
Oh, okay.
Morning, Keith. I feel like I haven't seen everybody in a while. Morning, Michael.
Hey, morning, Keith. There she is.
Good morning.
Someone's late.
Yeah, sorry. My daughter was in my bed until, I don't know, 5 minutes ago. Yeah. I'm so excited when the time changes an hour, because then I'll be better, like at getting there. It's just the 2 hour time change. No, thank you.
Throwing you off a bit.
Oh, so now I gotta print my levels. What's happening this morning?
Nothing. We're back at 6,800.
Okay.
Yeah, see, Dave Michael said they were called single prints before that. Before they were called fair value blocks.
Interesting, eh? Single print as in it just rips through that area quick, I guess. Kind of.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today.
Yeah, it's a bit of a tough area for sure. Thought he just said something about Trump, but maybe not.
Do we have any news today?
Not really.
Okay.
Fed Bowman speaks at 7, but I don't think he's going to be saying anything at 10 a.m. East Coast anyways.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. I don't know what to do.
Sorry, I missed that, Dave.
Oh, I said we're forming a big bull flag currently.
Ooh, bull flag. Fancy. Yeah.
Bull flag means it goes high. Bull flag means it goes higher.
Yeah, kind of like if you look at it like as in like a golf flag, like a hole. You know, like the flag. Yeah, so it's got like the little bar that was a climb pre-market, and now it's like sort of filling out the flag.
What time frame?
I'm on the 5.
Morning, everyone. Probably already said this, but Jose, Daniel, Jordan, Keith, Michael. Jose, what are you drinking this morning? I'm currently drinking more than 5 milligrams of creatine.
Yes, let's go.
More?
Because I was just doing 1 scoop until, was it Michael or someone was like, more than 5 is good for your brain.
Hillary does 10, I do 15.
Okay, I think I'm doing 10 right now.
Just watch out when you have like, if you like, for me, as soon as I mix caffeine, I just need to make sure I'm like, because I'll just get like a little bit, my stomach will be, I don't get any kind of gut distress. I just have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, big bounce there.
Jose, so you're a basic white girl this morning. Love it. Love it. Thanks,
And that
Michael.
fair value gap is holding real good right now. That's again, we just pulled out of that fair value gap.
I just don't know where you take it to. It's like 68.05. Like there's just, this is what I hate about all time. Like, how much room is there for this to run to the upside? Like, what's my target going to be?
Yeah, Zach usually does like 15 to 20 points on NQ, so it's not. I mean, I guess you could probably shoot for like 7 points or something on ES.
So what do you do when you have a bullish fair value gap and then above it a bearish fair value gap? Like,
that's, to me, that's a don't really trade it situation.
Okay.
Yeah. Just if you have too many opposite confluences, then I just try to avoid it.
NQ's got where it's sitting in a bullish fair value gap, but right above that's a bearish one.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Michael, are you short by chance, or do you trade this early?
Good morning, Trevor. What's happening, buddy? Michael, I start my morning with a liter of water. Then I do another 500 mils with my creatine and my greens. So plenty of water, but I think it's a combination of creatine, 1,000 milligrams of sodium in my electrolytes, and then my AG1. Just help really clear out the system that way.
Yeah, I used to get a little bit upset stomach from the AG1 actually. So I would take a couple days off here and there in between, and it was better for me.
I don't get an upset stomach, like I said. I just get, I was reading about it, like some people when they take sodium. Oh, there he is. Thomas, what's up, buddy?
Thomas.
Good morning.
I saw you guys on, so I decided to pop on.
Thomas just creeps in the stream every now and then.
Every now and then, see what you guys are up to.
You ready for LA, buddy?
Oh yeah, I'm so hyped.
What's the weather like down there right now? Up there?
Sunny, 70s, maybe 80s.
So is that
you
like?
Remember it was hot.
Yeah, but there's air
At
conditioning.
night there'll be a crisp, but over it's still pretty just nice and warm.
I wore long sleeve like athletic shirts last year, and I was sweating. Like thin, like a long sleeve, like Lululemon shirt. It was warm in the daytime. Remember walking up the road, like it was warm.
Yeah, but I don't think we'll be doing a lot of walking this year.
Me and Andrew are gonna do a 6 a.m. Sunset hike on your birthday, Christine. We're gonna surprise you. So, surprise!
While I'm sleeping, that's a nice surprise.
That's what he said. He said you're gonna be sleeping because it's your birthday.
Yep, I'm packing everything up. I'm now just listening to all of Tom's content, and he did a few interviews with David the past month that were really, really good. And I guess there's going to be other speakers there too that I'm looking forward to hearing from.
Yeah, no, it's going to be interesting. I think the way that they're doing that little networking thing after, it's going to be pretty damn cool. To get to socialize like that.
This time. There's going to be a bunch of people. Like, we don't get the desks or anything this time. Like, we'll just have chairs.
Yeah, just like listening.
Yeah,
it'll be basically a presentation and then networking. You know what I mean? Like those are the two main things it'll be. It won't be any kind of like. I won't even be taking notes personally. And maybe I'll take some on my phone, but. How was your day yesterday, Thomas? Trade?
Yeah, I took a short off the VWAP and then could have locked the stop, but pushed myself to not. So I took a loss on that. I cut that trade early, and then I flip along after we broke the New York VWAP, and I took profits like almost at the top of the range.
Nice.
So up a little bit on the day.
I was confessing to Dave that I took that same long trade later in Top Step Combine, but I took it off a 5-minute fair value gap on NQ, and I took the trade on NQ.
Nice.
So
Not the normal trade for you.
no, but just the levels on Bookmap and the levels of that fair value gap were just it was too juicy to not try. And I've been wanting to try and take those trades.
And Q's looking definitely more bullish currently compared to the ES and the Dow. This Mag 7 here.
I wonder if when the government shutdown is over, if they're just gonna like release the numbers at a random ass time and just like spike the market.
Just come online and it's like
Yeah, they just come on
all at once.
and everything is like
that'd be crazy. Well, it looks like I'm not going to be able to trade Zach or Bucci's model today. Just nothing really seeming to. We had that fair value gap, but then that last 5-minute candle didn't. It closed inside the fair value gap, and now we're below it. But we got to wait for the candle closure, right? So I'd have to wait for another 4 minutes. Who knows what's going to happen on this candle?
I have a short marked up that I didn't take, mainly because it was just like 9:44. And I'm not really sure how these trades, because this is a deviation trade, how it reacts like in the opening per se, like when there's like a lot higher volatility. But I'll keep you guys updated if it does work.
Mm-hmm.
and I took
Short
a
out the
play.
gate on ES.
You are ready?
No, I'm reading the comments.
Oh, okay.
Keith has a question for you, Christine.
Yeah, I'll let Thomas finish his point, and then I will answer Key.
With the sweeps and like the idea of the sweep of a level, how often are people talking about it on like the upside, being they sweep a high side and then go short? Because like last week, it was a beautiful trade where it swept the 15-minute, but then it just fucking kept pumping like 20 minutes later. So what have you heard about that?
There's Lance.
No, I haven't heard like anything specific, like sweeps to the high side are less like probable or anything like that. From my experience, it's kind of, I think it's personally a little bit of your bias that day of what you're looking for. Like off the open, I would have been looking for like a sweep of the high and a short. Just because I'm like, we're far from the VWAP. Like my mind says, it's going to come back, right? So therefore, I'm looking for a sweep. But right now, since we're kind of on the way down, now I'm looking for a sweep of one of my lower levels to take it long, which would be the more high probable trade because that is with trend. If you're going short, you're a counter trend trade. So you have to keep that in mind. But maybe I just haven't like heard enough of the strategy to give you a better answer on that. Okay, first of all, thank you, Michael. 944 short would have been totally valid. Thanks for telling me now. Just kidding. I'll remember that in the future. And Keith, I learned my current strategies from a mixture of things. Tanner from Strong Trading, just seeing him live stream the sweeps, all that stuff. And then actually Michael, the deviation bands is who I learned my strategy from. And it was just like a couple of pointers or whatever, just because I've been trading enough times that someone can kind of like quickly explain what their strategy is and I can pick it up enough for me to just go with it. And obviously it was a strategy that made sense to me, that it was a easy pick up and then like move on. But I can definitely talk more about the strategy. It's not actually that difficult. Like I don't know if you trade with the deviation bands, Keith, but I love the deviation bands. They're actually, I think, one of my favorite things that I've found in this last year. And I just use the +1 and the -1. And I have the +2 and -2 up, but I don't use them at all. But Michael is like, I call him the king deviation. So he's been trading that for, I think, 4 years, right, Michael? Thank you. Oh gosh.
Randy, that ES fair value gap still holding.
Yeah, I was actually just looking to get short on ES and I didn't. So good. Because it wasn't the first break. The opening ranges got broken already, right? So I can short it now?
Technically, yes.
Is that the rules?
I can short it. I'll take that title. King deviation.
Well, you guys, whoever's not part of the BSC, Christine made a comment yesterday in the BSC and she's like, Randy, if you didn't take those low a day trades, like I did yesterday, my first trade on stream, she's like, you probably would have took 50 payouts by now. And that really struck a chord with me because I probably would have.
I was just razzing you.
So I'm learning to be patient because that was actually a silly trade when you really think about it. I sold it at the low of day.
Oh, look at that break. I should have taken that trade. I was watching that fair value gap. I was like,
I personally don't like if it goes higher because I have very little to trade off of. You know, like if it leaves the deviations, then I have nothing. And I only have one level above right now, which is at 68.02. So once that's gone, I'm kind of just out in no man's land. But that's okay. I don't have to trade.
One thing I was looking at that you could potentially do is run a Fibonacci from like the recent high to the recent low.
Mm-hmm.
And then it has extensions, right?
Oh, yeah.
So you could kind of like, at least it gives you some sort of levels above.
True. I also I don't mind if you look at my calendar from last month. I think I traded was 10 days out of the month. And I was at the desk for much longer than that. So some days I'll come to the desk and I just won't take a trade. And I'm at it's taken a while to get there, but I'm very happy with that. So I don't know if I want more to look at. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like my strategy gives enough opportunity that it helps. Having more would put me in the market when I really should be staying out on certain days, especially.
Yeah, I agree. When you have more, then you also you're raising even more questions. Yeah. Now you're giving yourself 10 reasons to take a trade versus 1 or 2.
Yes. And then all of a sudden I'm trading on expansion days, which I don't do well on. So I'd rather be able to stay out of those days.
You know, Randy, I listened to our speech for the first time ever a couple days ago.
I haven't listened to it.
Dude, I know. I listened to it for the first time, and I was pleasantly surprised. I was like, wow, impressed? Look at me up there. Yeah, I was a bit impressed, and I was harping so much on the consistency and this guy's trying to make money with this shit on his charts. Wow.
I gotta listen to it.
The last
I ran exactly what we're talking about. Sorry, Dave?
Is that the last event that you guys went to?
Yeah, in Tampa.
Nice.
You're up on stage.
This next one, Tampa's going to be sick. I highly recommend anybody that's thinking about doing something in 2026 to put themselves around just a group of like-minded individuals. I definitely would be looking at the Tampa event.
I did enter a short.
I like it.
And so is this a sweep concept or is this just a VWAP trade?
This is a deviation.
Oh, okay.
So the break through the deviation, which happened to be right under the previous day, or no, happened to be under current day New York, and then it retested it. So that's how I could get into the trade, because otherwise I would have missed it.
Mm-hmm.
I just entered a short, but it's on NQ in my Top Step combines because I didn't realize I was on the NQ chart yesterday.
Oopsie. Well, it looks good.
And I'm in 10, what I thought was 10 micros on ES, 10 micros on NQ, which is a little bit of size. So.
Oh, Michael, you're short too. Guess.
Wish me luck.
You got 97.25. That's good. It's really good. I have 95.25.
Dave, is 50 points a long way on NQ? That is, right?
Yes and no.
Like if I wanted to target previous day's point of control, but I should be targeting previous day's value area high first.
Yeah, probably. As you know, it can rip, but I don't know. Seems like we're kind of in a range right now. But
well, I got a 35-point stop, so I shouldn't be looking. I should be looking to take a 35-point profit. I shouldn't get greedy here.
Yeah, value area high doesn't seem too far away though, right?
Where do you have previous day's point of control marked on? Actually, this is on Top Step, and then 25,231 is a value area high. That's right. So 25,260. 25.
Man, anyone who bought this long in the morning, pre-market,
Austin,
so clean.
Austin, the dirty dog caught it.
Yeah, he did good.
Good thing about living on the East Coast, eh?
Yeah. It's almost, but you have a little bit too much time for pre-market.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think Dallas, like 1 more hour ahead. So what would that be? That would be 2 hours ahead for you, Dave. 1 hour ahead for us. Mexico would be a good time zone. Good
well,
balance.
that's what our time zone will be in just less than a month.
And then yesterday when I drove to San Pancho, I didn't realize when you're driving to San Pancho, your phone changes 1 hour.
There
that's
is
the cutoff.
Apparently, or was a pocket of Mexico that did do the time change. So if you're like in that pocket, then technically your time is different. You're already out of the short? Oh, I guess that's NQ.
No, he's on ES.
You're
What
already
bullshit is this?
Holy
He took it off the New York VWAP.
The low of day.
Yeah, is that a scalp for you, Michael? Or is that normal?
Beautiful trade. Yeah, ES is so heavy because YM's definitely heading lower. It's already lower than the point of control.
Yeah.
I am in a zone to where I'm ready to blow my funded account.
That NQ move.
What are you saying?
I'm in a zone to where I'm ready to blow my funded account because I don't trade multiple accounts well.
Uh-huh.
So I've been trading my combine for, this is my 3rd month. I'm in profit on that. I think I'm at 50, Top Step combine, 50K, 52 something. So I think I need $800 or $900. But my funded account, I've traded, I don't know, 6 some odd days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in total over the last 2 months. And I've just been in between break even because my first 2 days were red, next 2 days had green. then followed by another red, then another green, and another red. Do you know what I'm saying? You know, sometimes when you start an account, you get in this weird like break-even spot. So yesterday, I kind of like started just slinging trades on my funded account because I'm like, fuck it. Like, I either want this to be in profit or I want this to be gone. Do you guys like ever get that? Like when you get tired?
Why are you doing that with the funded and not the combine? That's what I don't understand.
Because my combine's on Top Step, and once I pass that, I don't have the consistency rules.
Mm-hmm.
And the funded is on Top 1 with consistency rules. So I think that.
I know, but like the price point, like it's like isn't the Top 1 thing like 6 times as expensive?
Top 1?
Yeah, like the funded account is like 6 times.
So this one wasn't because it was a challenge that I had passed.
Oh.
So I only paid like 150 the same.
Okay. I mean, yes, I do totally get that mindset then.
And I think just because I've been working on the combines for much longer and I have a lot more data on those combines, I feel more attached to those accounts. But like, that doesn't really matter. I'm kind of trying to talk through this because I don't know why. I just was tired of like I'm making so much progress, but it's very little like increments of money. Like to spend 3 months in a combine, a lot of people wouldn't do that. Yeah. But like the progress that I've made, like if you look at my stats on that account, it's like, I think it's amazing for me. I have I think that account has over a 50% win rate on like almost a 2-hour trading strategy. So it's like great, but the funded account, I just haven't put that much time into, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I just can't seem to, I like having multiple accounts for certain reasons, but then other reasons I don't.
Yeah, I hear you on that.
Sorry, I'm just rambling now.
One account has just made it simple, but
yeah.
NQ moves crazy on a 2-minute candle, like how much it spikes. So I added into my position.
Oh, you added, yeah.
And now I'm back into drawdown, but I'm basically almost at break even. My entry price now is just below previous day's value. I thought we can get a push down to 25,200. So let's see. Yeah, NQ moves really. It's very like not anxiety, but just like the way it's like the print.
It's definitely more volatile.
Oh, isn't that funny? I can see how you can scalp NQ though, like if you have a scalping mentality because of the volatility.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense for sure. You think this bounce on the VWAP's gonna hold?
Potentially, the gap was filled, so.
Yeah,
the gap fill, we did that.
Yeah, and YM's found support at its previous days New York, so. NQ sitting just below its New York. Let's see if it rejects off of here. If not, I'll probably get taken out of this trade.
I'm gonna go break even on my trade at the very least.
Did you get a chance to change your thumbnail, Randy?
Change what?
The thumbnail?
No, I haven't changed it yet. I will though. I'll have to do it after stream. One thing I need to start doing is when I'm adding in on combines, I just need to bring my stop to either break even like I would on a funded account or small green, because this is where I get myself into trouble trading these evals and combines by adding into a position, taking on this extra size, but then leaving the risk.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's something I do it well when it's a funded account, but when it's a bloody combine or an eval, it's like, well, now I just doubled my risk I got onto in the trade. because either my trade's going to be like, I need that level to hold before my trade's invalidated. So it's like, what do I do? Do I just cut the trade now? Like,
I mean,
or do I take a full stop on it for double the size because I added into the position?
That's tough, eh?
yeah, that's tough.
Right. And then I tell myself after it's a combine, oh, I don't know. I'm not happy with the trade.
Here's the thing. I am trying to, I'm like having this realization that I am a bit of a perfectionist and also want to rush the success. So I'm saying, you know what? If I make a mistake, that's all right. And this is just a mistake. It's just a mistake, and that's fine. You'll learn from it, and now you'll know next time. Either I shouldn't do it, or I'll do it with a different plan.
Good way to look at it.
I needed to hear that.
Especially listening to Tom speak and him saying, like, I look over my trades and I say, fuck, Tom, I still bought at the high of the day and sold the low of the day. How am I doing this? But like, he's saying it so casually and like, I was like, well, this is what happens sometimes.
Oh, Nick was on Trader's Post.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, and looks like they've already ended the stream.
Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, 48 minutes.
Nick must just be schooling Mike. Like the way Nick trades, he's so like, Mike has like that's the guy that runs Trader's Post, he has a whole bunch of strategies, which are super cool, where Nick is just like probably in and out of his trade before Mike can figure out what strategy he wants to trade or something.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That's always Nick though, eh? It's like, oh yeah, I got in there. Oh yeah, I'm up. Like 2 seconds later.
So I moved my stop up to my invalidation point. I'll basically take a massive hit to this account. I'll basically give back my max profits from yesterday. So
Damn.
it is what it is.
Let's hope it doesn't do that.
Yeah, I'm looking like I'm going to get stopped out at break even.
Be lying if I said I wasn't lining up a long.
Yeah, I mean, right now, the long looks great. I have no qualms about the long.
Where's your stop there, Randy? You still have that.
I'm out on my trade.
I'm above that. I'm at 267.50. But yeah, I want to see if these 260s get taken. That's the top of that bearish fair value gap.
Yeah.
And then there's orders sitting there. There's like 35 orders on ES, right? So, but ES is flipped. The CVD's flipped back bullish from being bearish. So
I'm in long.
Nice.
Oh yeah, we're up 450 or something on CBD.
Yeah, it's going to take these two to the 260s.
Well, I will say this is my worst trade entry. Because I'm under New York VWAP.
Oh.
But I have confidence in this trade. Dang, oh my god.
If this turns around and comes back to my take profit, I probably should just lock my accounts out, because that is tilt inducing for me.
What did you get stopped out?
Yeah, moving my stop to break even, getting stopped out, and then the trade working.
Yeah.
Me managing my trade and then it taking me out and then working. Because a lot of my trades, I don't move my stop, I just leave. A lot of them, but sometimes I don't. So I don't know if I'm trading from a place of fear or just I don't know what it is.
And I'm sitting here what a terrible entry I just had. I should not be buying under New York VWAP. This is exactly why.
Well, I mean, I
for big
like
stop
that trade, like going back into range, but it's not your trade. I think you're like, where's your stop?
At 90.50.
Yeah, like you still have at 90.50. Why at 90.50?
Because if it's gonna make a new low of day, it's gonna make a new low of day. If I have the momentum on my side, it's not gonna make a new low of day.
But isn't 90.50 right at the VWAP? Like, what if it comes back and tests the overnight VWAP?
Well, 90.50 is like in the current price action range, but I was not going to take this long with a big stop. That's just.
Are you on RT? Like, what are you on? Electronic trading hours?
Never. Always on regular trading. I trade
electronic trading hours, so 90.50 is exactly the VWAP for me. That's why I was asking.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm out of this. I guess technically not yet, but it's about to. Yeah. Damn, what a shit trade. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did that.
They're looking at football stats on ASFX TV right now.
Oh my god.
Must not be in a trade.
Randy, how's your trade looking?
Break even-ish?
I'm still in drawdown. We'll see if it finds support here at its New York VWAP, but
things just look shitty.
Yeah,
like on the 5 minute, it just looks like it's literally not going anywhere other than those like 2 bars. Oh yeah.
Correct.
Gross. Yes. Lancy's all-time high markets are wild. But who said, like, was it you, Randy, that said we just got to get used to this? Like, we're going to be trading all-time high markets like multiple times, or maybe it was you, Thomas.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like, we got to just get used to this because this will, throughout our career, will be a constant thing. Like, you might as well get to be a pro at all-time high markets, and you should be okay for the rest of your trading career.
I agree. And James said it to me last week really well, where he's like, you got to remember making new all-time highs and trading at all-time highs are 2 different things. Mm-hmm. So like we could be, if you look at the 15-minute chart and go back, I was looking at this yesterday, you could see like how when we were making new all-time highs, you'd have these moves. And then when we were at all-time highs, it'd be chalk for a few days of like sideways, like just this tiny price action. So I think differentiate whatever, you know the word I'm trying to say. But doing the 2 is will be helpful. So. Mm-hmm. Let's just get a breakdown below the New York VWAP for me here. Come on now. Thomas, you're still in that long, right?
No, I got stopped out to the tick.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know what, I don't know.
I know you don't like my stop loss.
I mean, at least under the low, like 88.75. Was that just too far with the size?
It's a full moon here, so.
To me, when I see this trade present, if it's going to reject off the VWAP, it's coming for a new low of day. And I would rather conserve my risk, even though now it's like seems like it's not doing that.
But do you have the overnight VWAP on?
Yeah.
And where is it on your chart?
90.50.
Oh, so like you see it rejecting, like bouncing off that currently.
Right now it looks like it's sitting on it.
Yeah.
But before it looked like it was bouncing off of it because when I entered, the 15-minute candle was a doji candle closing inside the 15-minute range.
Yes.
I probably, yeah, it's like, yes, the stop probably should have gone at low of day.
Well, only time will tell, because if it just moves down, then it's like you saved yourself some
A few
loss.
points.
But if it bounces, then it's going to be like, oh, fuck. I don't know what it's going to do right now, to be honest. Is anybody else in a trade? I know, Michael, you had a trade. Who else? Someone else had a trade. Darren, you had a trade. Randy's in a trade.
You guys can endure this pain with me.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
It's coming down.
Michael says shorts look good for NQ, so that means something.
The Jews know, right, Michael? And I'm allowed to say that, by the way. I don't want to get any flack. I know Michael don't care. And this is the 2-minute chart, if you guys are curious to know. So I try to manage my trades on a 2-minute, and I've been spending a lot of time actually looking at the 5-minute and the 15 for each of the 3 indices. So this was the fair value gap that Dave was talking about, the bearish one. And as you can see, until you get a candle close above it, it's still in play. And you can see how it's held out. So my stop's above it.
Well, I'm annoyed at myself right now. Randy, Michael needs to see some paperwork on your permission.
I gotta go find it somewhere. I think it's in my luggage.
Michael, are you coming to LA? I can't remember.
No, but he's coming to Tampa. It better be coming to Tampa. You're on the East Coast too. I'm pretty sure he's on the East Coast. So no excuse. We're traveling halfway across the world, Thomas and I. I think Dave, you're coming to Tampa, right?
I'm hoping to, yeah.
Yeah, nice. Dude, it'll be so much fun, man. Like, you're gonna really, it'll
yeah.
You'll open up so many new doors. It'll be cool.
You can't abandon the family with a new baby at this current moment.
Bring the baby to LA. What are you talking about? How old was Miles when I went to LA? Actually, Miles was pretty old. Miles was like 6 or 7 years old.
Yeah, but you have 1 kid. Isn't this your 3rd child, Michael? Or I know it's not your first, I don't think.
Tampa is pending spousal approval.
Bring the family. Bring everyone.
It's like Jose. Jose, how many kids do you have? 2nd child, 3 months. Okay. Yeah. When there's 2, you can't just abandon your wife for a couple of days.
Oh, come on now, Christine.
No.
How often do you abandon Andrea with the kids? All the time. What are you talking about?
My kids are almost 5 and 7. They're easy. And my mom helps them out.
Sure.
So never. Lance. Just don't let it die. That's all. Jose, I think, has 2
now.
years.
Thomas, Christine, Dave, and chat, I present you with a question. I added in too heavy into this trade. Now this trade is almost back at my entry price. Would I take size off here, or would I just leave everything the way it is? And actually, I want to kind of hear, no, don't get offended, everyone, but I kind of want to hear from Thomas on this one.
I think you close everything or leave it on.
Okay, cool.
Wait, what was the question?
So now I'm almost back at my entry. And I said earlier, I had added in too much size and doubled my risk. So now I have the option to take some size off, close the trade, let it ride. Thomas said either close it, get out of the thing, or let it ride. Like one of the two. Stick to your guns or just get the fuck out.
And the reason I say that is like you've already added in. And so you shouldn't, like, don't take the size off. As it's working, this is like, it's just starting to work potentially. And so like taking the size off, it's you either got to commit or don't commit.
This is combines, Michael. Michael doubled down. Daniel sized down. Christine, what do you think?
I think you should leave it. I mean, you're already like, you're clearly slinging these combines anyways with the size and what you're trading. So like, keep in line with that.
Okay.
That's what I think.
Curtis said stick it out. Lance just laughed at me. Daniel made a very good point. I can't disagree with what Daniel's saying. He's saying your original plan rule was size down, though, right? So you are getting rewarded for the wrong execution.
Yeah.
So to add to that, I'm not getting rewarded for I always wanted to size into this trade. I just didn't remove cut my risk in half when I did.
Mm-hmm.
I just stayed in the actual, I didn't move my stop or anything, where when I'm trading a funded account, as soon as I size in, I'll bring my stop to break even, or I'll cut my risk in it. If I'm risking 10 points, I'll risk 5. As there's enough move in my favor direction that I think my 5 points will hold. Oh, Lance said full close. He was laughing at Michael. Is this, Dave, is this comment, do we have our first spam in the chat? Is this?
Yeah, I think so. I didn't mean to.
Yeah. We made it.
Oh, that's actually from Nick's. Nick put a Twitch comment.
Oh, that's somebody from the Twitch account.
Yeah, that's Nick's Twitch account.
Let's go Twitchy.
Everybody, migrate over to Twitch.
I don't even know what Twitch is.
It's a streaming platform, right? Mostly for gaming, though.
I thought you were going to say mostly for gay.
Mostly for gays, though.
Who's listening to the new podcast? There's a new one out with Zach.
I did.
Yeah, that was great. Also, I apologize for my absolute dog shit audio. I'm pretty sure I fixed it. It was just on the wrong mic setting, but I realized that was terrible for 2 episodes.
I mean, we're not a professional production company, so.
No, that's for sure.
It's on the list, Michael. Yeah, Zach's on it, and he's just, obviously, you've heard Zach before, so he's just a good one to listen to for sure. Someone slapped me in the face for moving my stop to break even, and now this trade is working.
Yeah, this is why I didn't have my stop that low today.
Are you so happy you proved me wrong?
Well, no, I'm not happy I proved you wrong. I'm just happy I proved myself right.
Right.
Of this is the pattern I've seen when we have a 2-minute candle that just opens and closes at its high and low. That's a pretty strong bullish entry signal, especially when it's that close to the VWAP. I was like, fuck it, I don't want to get in 5 points higher than this. I'd rather just be in now, but.
There you go, Randy.
Damn.
There you go, Randy.
I'm so annoyed.
Yeah.
That would be your TP over there.
When
now.
I'm moving my stop to break even, someone yell at me and be like, don't do that.
Did you get edged, Randy?
If I got edged, I'd be... You know what would be the most crazy thing about getting edged on this trade is because this is to pass the combines.
Randy,
so it'll be this is edging, extreme edging. Not even hitting TP. This is getting the combines over the line.
That's exactly what I went through yesterday when I passed that Take Profit Trader eval.
Yes.
It was it literally went to $50. I was ready to close it. It was $50 short. And then I ended up losing that first trade. Luckily,
Michael,
I got into another one that passed it. So
you're right. I did trade my P&L, but more than that, I traded my entry. And who was to say my entry was the correct entry? I got in a little bit lower, so I didn't even get the best entry, and I made it more of a thing than it should have been by moving my stop to that break even. Like if you move your stop to break even, you got to be sure that your entry is the exact perfect entry, essentially. Moving your stop, you can keep your stop where it is. You can take third off. Yeah, I like that. I should have done that. I did that yesterday, actually. I took a third off at VWAP, but I didn't do that today.
Yeah, I have been thinking about exploring the idea of, instead of going break even, if you take a partial, you actually go to like into your stop, like just reduce your stop so that it ends up being a zero trade, but you still have room before you get.
That's very true. And oftentimes I've taken a partial and then move my stop to break even as well. But what maybe I need to do in this situation is just take the partial, leave my stop, and then eventually that could turn into a break even. But that you would really know that would have turned into a loss if you didn't take the partial. When you move your stop to break even, you don't it could not be a loss, right? Mm-hmm. I got to do some hair. I'll be back.
All right. So opening range or IB just set, guys.
Yeah, I want to see these orders down to 25,200 get tapped. Are we going to get it, or is this thing just
I haven't taken a trade?
Just crazy.
Trevor's got a question for you there.
Do you normally go that heavy when trading combine challenges and once funded? 100%. 100%. So on combines, I trade anywhere from 10 to 30 micros. Sometimes even up to 50, but that's like when I'm trading 40 and 50 micros, I'm probably leaning towards a little bit of tilt. And then sometimes I get rewarded for those bad, what do you call it? Bad practice, or yeah. So I try to stay 10 to 30. I start with 10. I try and add into my position, get up to 30. It just brings my take profit closer. I'm not looking for a bigger move. And then when I get to fund it, I trade anywhere from 1 to 5, maybe 10 micros in the size of it, depending on the size of the account. But mainly 1 to 5 micros is what I trade, somewhere in there, depending on trailing drawdown, how much drawdown I have left, and what the profit target is on that funded account and whatnot. But I think if you've been trading long enough and you're comfortable, I think you need to swing on these combines and these challenges. And I would think Thomas and Dave would agree with it too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
You know, the name of the game is we're here to make money, right? And if we're sitting in these combines for long periods of time, well, we're not making money. So,
yeah. I'll be right back.
Yeah, if you're super new and you're just learning, then that's like a little bit of a different story. Right, but for anyone who has funded accounts, like you probably just want more funded accounts, right? So pretty big bounce there.
Yeah. Well, it's just reversing that candle move down anyways, right? So let's see if this value area high can show us rejection or as resistance now.
Mm-hmm. I'm just feeling a little blank at the moment. I just don't really see.
Yeah, this is definitely a tough read. Like, I've been sitting in this trade for how long now? Do you know what I mean? Like,
yeah,
I've been sitting in this trade for 23 minutes. No. Why does it show 10:10 and I'm only in the trade? Oh, that's from yesterday.
I think you got in around 7, didn't you?
Yeah, so I've been in this for 33 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 703 I got in. You can see it here. I don't like how Top Step, like how on like it shows your entry prices on the screen. Like it just makes a mess of it.
Oh yeah, I don't see. I haven't traded Top Step, so
Yeah, it's a little annoying to be honest.
is that on Project X or platform, or is it their own?
It's Project X. They try to coin it Top Step X and trick people and make it seem like it's their own platform, but it's Project X.
Yeah. Lance said, "Hey, I know a dude that's been in a 25K combine for 5 months straight."
It's fucking wild, crazy. Man. I mean, Lance is probably talking about himself. I know Lance. He's being funny.
Curtis, I came back to break even for you.
Curtis, where are you coming in from? Curtis, new to the chat, Dave? Or he's been here for a bit?
I recognize his name. I think he's been here.
Oh, nice. What's happening, Curtis? Welcome, buddy. I feel like I've been out of the chat for a little bit, just traveling and getting set up here. And then last week was Austin asked me to help him out on a couple days on stream, so I didn't really get to come in here much.
Nothing I have lasted more than a month.
Well, Lance has something, and I don't want anybody in the chat to follow Lance, but he has something called he just throws something crazy at me. Oh, nice. We got us an economist in the chat. Love it.
Whoa. All right. Everybody send your questions to Curtis.
Yeah. I spend half my time in New York and I'm a dirty immigrant. Love it. Well, you're in the right place, buddy. We're all a bunch of dirty immigrants. Are we going to get that push, Dave? Come on now.
Yeah, let's see.
Come on. Stop edging me. Let's go.
There you go.
Let's go. Come on now. Listen. Oh my God. I can't do it, Dave. I can't do it.
What do you need? 2 more ticks or something?
There you go.
There. Nice.
Woo. That was a fun one.
That fair value gap, that bearish one. See, it was like, that's why you can't really take that bullish fair value gap earlier, right? Because you had that big bearish one, and that bearish one held like what, 1, 2, for like an hour.
There we go, baby. 4 combines fast. Fuck yeah.
Nice.
Proud day. Let's go. Where's Thomas and Christine?
I'm back. I was just grabbing some water.
Hi, I saw that, Randy. Good job.
Oh, thank you.
We're just doing Frankie's hair.
Oh, it literally edged me to a tick and then went back and like I'm just not used to it.
I knew it wouldn't. I knew it would come back down because this happened yesterday. It like bounced right before the deviation -1, but it came back down. So I was like, I was watching it. I'm like, no, it's gonna come. It's gonna go.
Now, can someone tell me to grow some balls and trade my copy traded accounts? Because I'm like having these like nice trades and I'm just trading evals and combines.
I know. And you were talking about like don't stay in a combine for long. Well, I've been in my combine for 3 months. 3rd month.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
You weren't supposed to be here for that conversation, Christine.
Yeah, avoid reading the chat right now.
What's happening, Rajesh? Finally got me an Indian brother in the chat. Where's
What do you mean? I'm an Indian brother.
Oh yeah, I forget. Thomas's grandfather is Indian. It's crazy.
Oh,
I'm not even joking.
Yeah.
He's got a turban and everything. You got to see the picture, but Dave, you shit. It's crazy. Like a Sikh with a turban, everything. That's his grandfather.
Nice.
How's oh my God, why can't I think of, we call him, his name is Chirag, but his name on here is different. Oh. And he's always trading NQ and gold. And he's always hitting wicked trades. Where's our boy? What's his name? Why can't I think of it? Christine, you know who I'm talking about.
Who?
He's always trading NQ. The guy that's always in the chat, and he walks away from his trades, and he comes back and he's like, "Oh yeah." Oh, what did you say? Zar. It's Zarg. Zarg. No, Zarg. Zar trader.
Yeah, Zar.
Yeah, Zar. His name's Chirag, but his handle's Zar trader. I haven't seen him in a while. Has he been in the chat recently, or did he leave us?
Last week.
Yeah, he popped in a little bit later when me and Christine were on at the end.
I'm just gonna pull my screen off and mark my trade up, Dave. I've just put you back on.
Yep, sure.
I just want to mark this sucker up and.
Well, I'm going to take a little break because I'm not going to buy it or short it down here, and I'll come back in a little bit.
Okay.
Cheers, Thomas.
Yeah, nice being on the
Good morning.
guys. Great.
Ready to see you tomorrow, buddy. Gonna see you in 24 hours, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, have fun.
All right, guys. I'll see you in a bit.
Oh yeah, it's tomorrow. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
literally.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool deal. See you.
I'm actually gonna run to the washroom quickly, guys. I'll be back.
Some interesting news on Financial Juice. It says traders selling Russian oil recently began seeking payment in Chinese yuan for Indian state refiners, according to sources. Traders offering Russian oil to pay in Chinese yuan, taking recent signs of improving relations between Delhi and Beijing as chances to simplify deals with India buyers, trade sources said. India's top refiner, state-controlled Indian Oil, recently made payments in Chinese currency for 2 of the 3 cargoes of Russian oil. People familiar with Indian companies' Russian oil purchased said. So,
yeah, it's interesting. I read an article on how the Chinese government is building infrastructure in Iran, and then instead of taking money, they're taking oil. And Iran has sanctions, but by doing it that way, they're able to like bypass a bunch of shit. So like they're getting paid in oil, building in Iran, and getting paid in oil. If that makes sense.
yeah, that's crazy.
And it's a way to get around the sanctions, and then like for China to get Iran oil without being like, violating sanctions.
Yeah,
very interesting. Like that.
Yeah, the other half of the world is trying to become the new superpower. So, do you got any more trade ideas coming up, Christine?
Not at the moment. I'm just doing my markup, and I'll kind of reevaluate. Yeah, so we'll see.
Curtis said all the tariff stuff is insane. The amount of deals it's allowing China to make is crazy. The damage Trump has done to American economy won't recover for tens of years. The petrodollar is at serious risk. Coming from a professional who works in the industry, an economist.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a scary world. No wonder no one's having babies anymore.
Yeah.
Or less babies anyways.
Yeah.
They say when you can't envision a future, it's hard for people to conceive babies because they're like not sure what's going to happen in the future.
Right.
So I've been trading in that Patrick Wieland. Have you heard about that competition thing? Patrick Wieland's.
Yes. Are you doing it?
Yeah, I'm in it.
Cool.
I'm up 4,000 in that account.
Nice.
It's like
Nice.
nothing compared to the leaderboard. The leaderboard has like 57,000 profit.
Wow.
So somebody turned a 50K account into 100,000 already.
Crazy. They must have just been slinging it.
Oh yeah. Huge size, right? It's a maximum 6 minis you can go. Yeah, so the leaders is Miss Janica, and she's at 60,000 right now, so 110K on that account.
Wow. Who is it?
MS Janica.
Oh, wow.
Miss Janica.
Sorry, Dave. I just got to go say bye to my kids for school. I'll be right back. I don't mean to leave you alone, but.
No problem. I'm used to it. Okay, everybody, now's your chance. Talk bad about them while they're gone. No. Just don't put it in the chat, though, right? Because then they'll see it when they get back. Oh, I'm so flat right now, guys. So flat. So, Lance, the problem is intelligent people aren't having children, and the idiots are piling them on. Ever seen Idiocracy? That's funny. World's well, I mean, and that's perfect, right? For like the super uber rich, because they just need a whole bunch of idiots that are gonna just do whatever, whatever they've got planned for them. So. Hey Trevor, my fishing trip is the camping trip starts on the 10th, so this Friday. So I'll be I'm gonna take my laptop and my little side screen. I'm gonna see if I can't get on a bit here and there. So yeah,
I love it.
Do some power hours or come back for the open or something.
When are you going fishing again?
On this Friday.
Oh shit, we'll be in LA.
Yeah.
I was like, we're not. I won't be streaming. This is actually, today's the only day you're going to see me. Thursday, actually, I might hopefully be able to jump on with you guys and be trading with everybody in the room too. There's a bunch of us sitting in an Airbnb.
Okay. That'd be
so I'm going to try my best to jump on with you guys, and then we can just, we'll all be kind of do like a trading floor or something. And I wish Thomas was still here, because I wanted to thank him for getting me to stick through that trade.
Yeah.
Just when I was saying, should I get out of it? What should I do? And he said, you got either get out, pull out, or stay in the trade and see it through. And I saw it through, and I got these combines over the line. And so this is my August, September. This is my third attempt at these combines. I got them on August 30th. I failed them. They reset on, actually, this is my second attempt on these combines. So let's go. They reset on September 30th, and here we are now.
Mm-hmm.
And that's one other thing I'm doing to everyone in the chat. I have a whole bunch of combines and evals running, but if say they renew on the 1st of the month, if I blow them on the 2nd, I can't trade that combine again until the next month. I wait till they reset. I don't just go buy another one. So out of my Apex ones, I have 20. I've passed 10 of them in the last 2 months, and I still have 10 more to pass. But next month, only 10 are going to renew, and then I'll trade those 10 until I pass them. So Does that make sense? Like, I'm not constantly buying them. I know I have a budget every 30 days. All these evals and combines reset, and now I have one combine that's going to reset, and 4 of them are passed now. So now I know next month only one of the combines is going to reset, and I'll trade that one. That one actually resets on the 10th of October. And that one is resets for $19, which Dave won't know, but some people in the chat might know. Last year, Top Step did a promo, $19 reoccurring for 50K combines.
Yeah, that's
and
wild
so
price.
I bought 10 of them. I passed 9 of them. I lost all 9 of the XFAs, and I still have one that just rolls over every month that I just YOLO and I fail. So maybe this month I'll take it a little bit more serious.
Very nice. I wonder how Nick's morning went, because maybe he didn't have the best morning, or else he probably would have checked in on us here.
Rajesh, I'm trading from my laptop. I don't know if Dave answered the question about Bookmap, but I'm trading from my laptop, and it's tough for me to have Bookmap up on my screen. There's not enough real estate, so I have Bookmap up on a separate monitor. But, you know...
I didn't answer that. Sorry. I missed it.
No, it's all good. He's probably wondering how can he watch along and trade, you know what I mean? Learn how we're looking at Bookmap. So when I'm back home at the end of the month, I'll have my Bookmap chart up with my chart, so you'll be able to share the screen so you can see kind of what I'm looking at.
Yeah. Head and lower. I should have held on to that Patrick Wieland competition short I had. I mean, I closed it up for $1,000, but it's still like, it would have been probably like about 3K at this point. Three or four. Maybe not quite.
You okay?
What is?
Oh, yeah. What are you doing today, Randy, now that you passed some evals?
Hillary's going to go to the gym in 40 minutes, so I'm going to actually take Miles up to the pool to go swimming.
Oh, nice.
I had a moment yesterday in the pool where he actually swam off the second step with like his floaties towards me, like on his own. Like he's never done that.
Yeah.
And so now I'm just going to, Hillary got him a pool noodle yesterday, so I'm just going to go upstairs with him with the pool noodle and see if I get him to swim out to me. Like he's not scared of floating anymore. He floated yesterday for the first time on his own with me. He's done it with the swimming instructor, but never with me.
Nice.
So his confidence in the last odds, it's insane. His confidence in the water right now. It's so cool to see that.
Good. And she's going to Sayulita Fit, right?
Yeah. You want to go with her?
I'm thinking about it.
She's going at 9:30. You guys should go.
I have a facial at 11:30.
Oh, you got time then. She'll be back by 10:30.
Mm-hmm.
You should go. I think it's a great idea.
Facial.
It's called my birthday facial.
Nice.
To try to erase away the extra year of aging.
Does Andrew go get his haircut anywhere at like here?
Yes, I can tell you where to go, or he can.
Okay, I need to go today, and I could probably just walk right in, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You'll be like, where am I? It's like they sell things, and there's like one barber's chair, and
where is it?
It's on the south end of town.
Okay, can you want me to message Andrew?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can show you later, but I can't describe to you where it is.
Well, I'm just gonna, when you guys get back from the gym, I'm just gonna go.
Okay.
Sorry, Lance. Apologize.
Oh, what's Lance complaining about us talking?
No, I got out of my seat to get a coffee. He's like, stay in your seat. Not done yet. I've been flat all morning now, ever since. Yeah. Nada. One of the feds are talking, but I don't know. It's not an important fed.
Just a so-so fed.
Yeah. Fed Mirren.
I had on Friday I entered into a Microsoft swing, and yesterday it was a good day. We're having a bit of a pullback today, but totally makes sense. So I'm happy with that. Oh my gosh. Poor Evan.
What happened?
Lance is harassing him in the chat.
Put 10 minis on so we can see what happens. That's what he said.
I swear, Lance and Nick, get them together and it's just like, you could just like watch the chat, them talking the whole entire time and be entertained all day. Well, we're a big problem. You guys are. Oh, so funny.
So we're kind of at this level here where we had a bunch of consolidation pre-market.
And now
So
it's seeming to be doing the same thing.
Bounce area.
Lance, are you coming to LA?
No, supposed to.
Oh, what the heck? And Nick's not coming to LA?
No, but Nick's coming to Tampa.
Yeah, who is coming? Well, Lance, you have to come to Tampa, but who is coming to LA?
I don't think anybody. No, Jordan's not. Jordan's not in town. He actually was trying to come, but they're away that weekend.
Oh, of course.
I think that's it for the chat. Scott's coming, but he's not in the chat.
Oh, nice. And Keith, you're not coming. Or is he coming?
No, I don't think he's coming. Just Ben. What's happening, brother? Glad you're loving the content.
Will trades.
Will trades.
What's happening, Will?
Love you, Randy.
Love you too.
I don't know for people who have kids, but there's a Disney Pixar movie called Elio, and it's
we watched it.
Yeah, it's about this kid that like wants to get abducted by aliens, and he sends this message out to aliens, and he's like, "Okay, bye, love you," and then all the aliens say that like as they're like greeting to him now, so they're always like, "Bye, love you, and that just reminded me of that. Such a mom.
That's actually I watched that one with Miles. We really like how we've seen it like 10 times.
It's so cute. I loved it. I was waiting for so long for it to come out, and then I just thought about it the other night when we were doing like family movie night, and I was like, "We're watching this." My daughter didn't want to watch it, but I was like, "We're doing it."
What is the little worm's name? The baby
Gordon.
One? Yeah. Gordon.
Gordon.
But he calls him Gordon.
Gordon, yeah.
Sorry, guys, we're quite lame, as you can tell.
Yeah. Randy, Will's asking what your thoughts are on today's price action.
So, Will, I actually went to take a short on ES and accidentally entered on NQ. I liked both indices for the shorts, but now is where, like Dave said, we get these moves, and now price is going to consolidate, and NQ sitting on its previous day point of control, previous day's New York VWAP. ES is kind of sitting on its previous day value area low. So, between those two, they have some sitting on areas of either they could be hold as support, where YM is just kind of floating in no man's land on my chart. What's happening, Caden? Nice, thanks, Jess Ben. And yeah, so I just had that one short, and I managed to pass some combine. So I got 4 XFAs today. We got to do us some giveaways, guys. It's been a while, man. Like, I know we're coming to the end of the stream, but let's
Missing
Dave,
the duck races.
Can you get a duck race going, Dave?
I've never done one before.
Oh, here, give me a sec. I'll get it. Let's do a duck race, guys. We got a good chat going on today.
Duck race.
It's been a good stream. Let me get a Google Doc.
I'm yet to get anything to give away, so.
Do we have something to give away?
Yeah, let's give away a 50K Top 1 Futures challenge account.
Did they ever fix that issue with the challenge accounts on the?
No, what was the issue?
You can see the challenge account on their order page, like on the front page. Yeah, back up there. So when they took down the last Ignite or whatever,
yeah.
For some reason the challenge account dropped off, and I was like, "What's going on here? Like, why can't you can't get challenge accounts anymore?" I think I was talking with Christine about that one day. Yeah,
but you figured it out, right?
Yeah, I saw in I went to their Discord, and it's like a known issue that they had been saying that there's a problem with that link or whatever.
What's up, Court? I just dropped a Google Doc in the chat. Everybody make sure you can click on it. Let's get your names on there and let's get this giveaway going. Let's get a duck race going here. Let's end the stream with a duck race.
Yeah.
Flats. Let's go, gang. Abra loves you, Randy. Oh, you guys are awesome.
Love you, Randy. Where are all these people? I feel like people just started flooding in, talking about how much they love you.
Yeah, it's kind of, I think we got people actually fucking around in the chat because they just keep erasing everything.
And then it's hard to be able to get, when multiple people are putting their names in. Oh, someone's deleting the names.
Oh. Someone is, right? Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it, buddy.
We'll make sure everyone's on there that needs to be. Check if Keith is on there.
I'm actually going to, if this keeps happening here for the next few seconds, guys, I'm going to get everybody just to put their name in the chat, and I'll put you guys in the giveaway.
Mm-hmm.
I won't give editor access to this anymore.
We should kind of get a Google Doc, a little different one where you gotta it gives you an individual one. And
like a box.
Collect emails and other things.
Sometimes when everyone's starting, it just takes a hot second. Teague Murphy, that was my maiden name. Teague.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm kind of starting to get scared here, Christine. I think we got some stalkers in the chat.
Maybe.
Both of us.
Yeah, it's not uber I haven't met too many people with the name Teague. And holy hell, is it hard to explain. I would always be it's league except with a T. But you have to it's one of those names you have to say a couple times.
Guys, no fucking around with the Google Docs, please. Like I figure who it is. Just like beat it, man.
Same thing to
Not
people.
cool.
Cool. Is it a family first name or a family last name? Because maybe wouldn't that be funny? Well, where are you from, first of all? And is it possible we're related?
So how many people we got? We got Keith, we got Dario, we got Will, Abra, Caden, Abby, Blake, Michael, Ben, Nishal, Trevor, good old Flats, and Lance. So that's
Jordan. Get Jordan in there. Huh. We should
look at
check
that
our
fella
family
there.
tree. Because I'm from Ontario, Canada. But, I mean, it's close enough to New York City, right? Or is that North Carolina? Sorry. I'm not familiar with. That's NC is North Carolina? Canadians in the chat, do you know?
yes.
Yes. You never know.
Oh, somebody just deleted it all again. Or did
Oh,
you copy that?
I already copied it.
Yeah, North Carolina. Cool.
Maybe it's Anonymous Coyote did that because that's the only person.
Anonymous
with the name
Coyote is like a Google Doc. We'll have it. It'll give each person an anonymous name when they're typing.
Okay, gotcha.
So you don't know who it is.
And then Anonymous Chipmunk. What a jerk.
What's happening,
Look
Kaden?
at that. Look at that sell off. Wow. Fell off 50 points.
Okay, I got you on here, Blake. So that's Teague Murphy is Blake. Perfect. Oh no, we got two Blakes.
No, Blake is Blake.
Oh.
Teague is Teague.
Okay. Teague,
But
I don't have you on the Google Doc.
Type it in for him. It's like league except with a T. I was actually thinking about naming one of my kids Teague, but I didn't. Michelle,
Yeah, I
I
got
think
you,
you're on
Michelle.
there. Yeah.
Let's get Teague
Did you get
on
Keith
here.
on there, Randy?
Yeah, Keith is the first one on the list as usual.
Okay. Keith, Jordan, Jose, just Ben,
I got Ben.
and you got
I got-
Jose.
I got Jose, and you're missing Jordan.
Will, Teague is your son, Miss Teague, or do you have another son named Teague?
This is crazy. Like, are we in the Twilight Zone today? This shit's
It's
tripping
so
me
weird.
out.
First day to get a scammer. Now we got all this weird.
This Teague. So
comments
you're
like
Teague's
that.
dad? So is your family named Teague? And where did y'all come from? If it was England, we're related.
No
Yeah, guys.
idea, Court. I don't even have my chart open. I'm trying to get this duck race going, buddy. Sorry. We usually trade the first hour and a half of market open, kind of, maybe 2 hours, kind of, and that's it, really. So I got Keith, Dario, Will, Abra, Caden, Avi, Blake, Michael, Ben, Nishal, Trevor, Flats, Lance, Talia, Teague, and Jordan. Talia, who are you in the chat? I did not know we had another girl in the chat. I'm assuming Talia is a girl's name, right, Christine? I'm not wrong for
Yes.
assuming that. Well, let's get this duck race going.
Yeah. Good
If
luck.
anybody wins and they don't reach out to me, we'll have to do another one.
You have to share your screen.
Yeah, I will. How many we want to do? 30
Hey.
seconds?
Welcome, Talia.
20?
Yeah, 30 seconds. 20's good too.
Yes, a girl. I swear,
I think-
only in the trading world do you have to like say, I'm a girl. FYI.
Oh, Talia knows Trevor. Nice. Kinda knew. Yes, a girl. Sorry, Talia, we didn't see you in the chat. Chat's on fire today, I'm loving it.
Make sure it's not 10 minutes of a duck race.
20 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, let's. You guys ready? Are we?
I'm going for the blue hat. The like toque. The beanie
Okay,
for
let me get this.
Americans.
Okay. Where do I push start? What?
What?
You guys ready?
Yes.
Oh no, how do I push start? What am I missing? Oh, right here.
Oh, is it going to be the graduation?
This is going to be a sneaky one.
Abra?
Well, behind Trevor.
Trevor?
Oh, Trevor, let's go. Let's go, Trevor.
Trevor's got it.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice job, Trevor.
Congrats, Trevor.
Let's go, Trev.
Michael, I swear, every duck race I'm ever included in, I always look for my name and I've never seen it. And like, that would be a win to me, just being able to see my name on a duck.
Let's go,
Oh my
Trevor.
Lord.
I love it. Trevor's been in the chat for quite a while, so honestly, it's cool to have some of the OGs win too, right? We always want the newbies to win, but it's good. It's good when the OGs get a win every now and then. So you're gonna have to wait for another one, Teague. I'm sorry, buddy.
I know everyone wants one more. Yeah, we only we're a small operation here, people. You can't just be throwing out accounts everywhere.
That's what I say at the taco stand every day when I go there. And I'm just like, no, I can't have one more. Before you know it, I'm 10 tacos deep. So I got to draw the line somewhere.
Small operation.
I had 5 tacos yesterday. I wanted 6. I just had 5.
What kind of account was that? A eval or?
Yeah, 50K challenge account with Top 1 Futures.
50K challenge, yeah.
Trevor, if you could DM me your email and all that stuff, hit me up on Discord or IG, whatever you want, buddy. And just send me your email and all that, and I'll get them to set an account for you. And yeah, this was my trade. So
good trade, Randy.
I passed 4 combines today. Christine got a break even, and Dave, I think, took a small loss in his Patrick Wieland account.
No, I got to win.
Nice.
Oh, you got to win. So Christine, you weren't here for the beginning of our conversation, but I'm not trading that tournament anymore.
Oh, you're not?
I had this little bit of an epiphany yesterday where at first it didn't align with me as a person, like shit talking Patrick Wieland and all the things that I thought I wanted to do.
Yeah.
And then this morning I woke up and I got an email from Legends Trading, who's hosting the tournament, and they've now allowed you to have unlimited resets. Like you can buy in for more resets. So now it's not even a tournament. So now it's just preying on people trying to win this tournament that doesn't really come with much. And now it's like preying on
cash grab.
Yeah, it's sad. It's very sad. And actually, I'm just like, fuck it. I'm not going to even trade the account. Like, I don't care. That's not who I am. So, but yeah, that was my. So that's where I'm done with that whole thing. So
yeah,
you were not on stream when me and Dave were talking about it earlier.
No, it makes sense, and it's probably a distraction from what you should be focusing on right now, right? So,
100%. That's not going to pay the bills for me, right? Like it'll give me bragging rights, but do I really need bragging rights over Patrick Wieland? Like, no.
No, especially when you have like a family, it's like you have more. You need to focus on the money making.
Yeah,
honey trap for account sales. Exactly.
Great stream today. I don't know if Dave wants to go on a little longer. I'm done, I think. Christine, how about you?
Okay. No, I'm good.
Yeah, I think we'll just cut it here then, and I'll do another giveaway soon. Tune in, guys. Dave's here. Dave and between me, Dave, Nick, Christine, Thomas, and then Nina. Hopefully, when she can make some time, can all we'll be streaming every day. So someone's always around streaming, right? So tune into one of our channels or tune into all of them. Hit subscribe, come hang out, man. This is a good spot. We have a lot of fun, so everybody's always welcome. It's a good time.
Thanks.
Enjoy your day.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Bye.